Did you know that we never talked about this platform before, but it will allow you to make over $10 for less than 2 minutes of work. It's all absolutely free and it works all over the world. You will not have to sell anything, you will not have to promote anything, you don't need your own website, and you don't need any social media followers. You can just sign up for free, do the things which I'm about to show you in this video and collect your earnings. $10 might not seem like a lot, but it can quickly add up, and since it can be done in less than 2 minutes, you can just add this as your side hustle in order to earn some extra cash. It doesn't need to be something that you do full time. But before I show you how this works, make sure to subscribe with notifications on to be the first to use new strategies. Of course, make the most money now right from the start. I just want to clear this up if your country is on this list, so if you can find your country on this list on the screen right now, chances are this will work for you because this works worldwide and it works in many different countries. So you can get paid wherever you are in the world. So this is the main platform that we will be using. I will explain to you exactly how you can use this new platform in order to make money again and again, basically for unlimited times. And it's literally going to take you less than 2 minutes. This platform actually works and people from all over the world are using this platform to make money every single day. Well, this is the platform where people come to review different products. As you can see, different companies and different products are being reviewed by everyday people like me and you. And each review that you give for those products, you will make money, but you must follow each and every step from this video if you want to do this properly. And don't worry, this is going to be a lot easier than you think. You will not have to buy any of those softwares, you will not have to record your voice. You will not have to record yourself talking about the product and giving them feedback or whatsoever. You don't have to make any videos at all. I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can do this in less than 2 minutes. So first of all, I want you to come over to g2.com. This is over, and I want to scroll a little bit down, and right here where it says using software, write a review, help over 5 million monthly buyers on G2 make the right choice for their business. And that's why G2 is actually paying you to write a review and to give feedback on different software, because from your review other buyers that want to get them that the software will decide whether they will buy it or not, depending on whether you give a good feedback or a bad feedback. You are helping G2 and that's why they are willing to pay you. So click write a review right here, and there will be 4 simple steps. You will select which category you want to focus on. You will leave a review, so you will write a simple review in less than 2 minutes, you will share it and you will collect your earnings. It's simple as that. After that you can spend that money on whatever you want to. It's really easy, 4 simple steps. So let's begin. First of all, you will need to pick a category you want to focus on, whether that's advertising, marketing, customer support, sales, information technology, media program, and project management, or whatever category you want to focus on. Let's say, for example, since I like finance and business, I will select the finance and accounting right here. I will click on this category. Now you can select whatever software, whatever product you want to review. If you can find something that you personally use, then great. Now you can give an honest review on that software, whether you like it, what you like about it, what you don't like, and so on. And here, just as an example, I guess most of you guys have already used Skype or Zoom, especially after the lockdown. So let's say, for example, I will go with Skype. I will review Skype, so you will select whatever product you want to review. You will then click continue right here, you will click review, and now you just need to create a G2 account. To do so, just click on continue to log in right here, and you can either log in with your LinkedIn account or your Google account or with your email address. I would just go with email because for me that's the most simple one. Once you sign in, they will start asking you different questions about that specific product. Now that's literally going to take you less than 150 seconds. It goes really fast. So you can just go through all of these questions, like for example, how likely is it that you would recommend Skype to your friend or colleague? I would recommend it like 8, for example. I will give a title for my review, and here's a little trick which you can use when giving feedbacks and when creating reviews for this product. So what you can simply do is you can go over to Google and you can find other people's reviews and you can recreate them in your own words. So let's say for example I'm gonna use this one. This is Skype Review G2, so I will open up the first thing that pops up on Google from g2.com and I will go through the different reviews that other people made about Skype. Now just go back to your review page and type everything in your own words. Of course don't just copy and paste because that will not work. G2 will then not pay you at all. You must be original and content must be unique. Then fill out all of these other boxes like why do you think Skype is the best, what you dislike about Skype, what you dislike about that specific product. Maybe you're not reviewing Skype, maybe you're reviewing Zoom or any other product or software which you can find on g2.com, and there are literally tens of thousands of softwares which you can review, and there will always be new ones which you can review, and each of them you review you will get paid. You will get paid per each review you submit and it gets accepted. So you must be sure that everything you type in here is 100 unique and original, and it's actually high quality content that other people can benefit from. So you want to give as many details, as much details as you possibly can. You can make it useful for people that want to use Skype and that actually search for reviews of Skype. Put in some effort, write a detailed high quality review and submit it, and you have a chance to get paid anywhere from $10 to $20 per each review that you give. And if you actually go through g2.com you will be able to see that there are literally over 50,000 software which you can review, so you can review a couple of them every single day. And even if you get accepted only for one per day, that's still a decent side hustle to add on, since it takes you less than 2 minutes of writing your own opinion on some software and products. So just give your honest opinion, or even just recreate what other people have already created. Recreate their own reviews in your own words. Do it again and again and collect some decent side income. This is obviously not going to make you rich, and it's not a business model from which you can buy a Lambo or whatever. But it's still a decent side hustle, and it doesn't require a lot of work. I mean, you can just open up your smartphone device, go to g2.com, submit a couple of reviews here and there, and hopefully earn some extra cash. It's all absolutely free, it doesn't require any special skills, and you don't need to be an expert to write those reviews. Literally anyone can do this, and it's actually created for everyday people. They're looking for an opinion that's coming from everyday people that use those products. They're not looking for experts or whatsoever, and that's the reason why so many people from all over the world are making money with g2.com. So I really hope you did get some value out of this quick video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content.